Hello everyone, in this short video we want to show you damage capturing using our detection algorithm. Inside of the case, you need to pick the photo that you want to process. Press process button. You see the picture with a marker placed on it, and also application made a quality check. Right now you see the progress bar that shows detected dents. It requires about from 10 to 15 seconds to process one photo. Coloring shows differentiation of the confidence of found dents. By pressing button on the top right, you can change, show or hide different confidence type of the dents. After automatic recognition, you can easily manually add or remove dents. Also, you can zoom in and drag picture. As you can see, this photo contains marker that allows application to detect marker size and immediately automatically recognize dent sizes. In other tutorial video we will show you how to process photo without the marker. By pressing button on the top left, you can reprocess this photo from the beginning. By pressing back button, you can back to the case details with all dents information. We hope you found this information useful. You can download this application for free from App Store using this QR code. Also, you can follow us on YouTube and also on Facebook and LinkedIn.